Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can create fingerprint lock app in MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the app first. Okay, so you can see that's my app here, and you can see there's only one button. It's scan. Okay, you can change this button name like something open lock or something like that, or open app. Okay, so whenever someone authenticate their fingerprints, okay, then we have to open this app's another screen. Okay, where we can store some messages and some secrets thing or some anything, whatever you want. Okay, so that's the finger lock app, something like that. So let me just click on scan button, authenticate this with another button, another finger, and you can see the red screen. It means authentication is failed. Okay, so you have to click on again this scan button and authenticate with your right finger. Okay, and you can see this is my secret message like that. It means you have to authenticate your fingerprints before opening this app. You can use this functionality in many apps like secret diary app, and there are a lot of app. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. So here we go. So we are using your MIT App Inventor to create this app. Click on start new project and your project name is fingerprint lock. That's our first screen. Okay, so whenever someone open our app, then we will display one button here, simply that. And to make this align horizontal to center and make it center, and then click on this button and change it to like a scan something. Font, make it font bold and make it 18, and then I'm to change this screen color to black. Okay, like this. And I'm to change this background color to something pink, like this. And I'm to change the shape to round it, right? So that's simple. Then nothing. Now that's our first screen of our app. So whenever someone click on this scan button, so we have to authenticate the fingerprints. Okay, if the fingerprints is authenticated successfully, then we will open a secret message or secret gallery or secret anything, whatever you want. But if fingerprint is not authenticated, then we will change the background color of this screen. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop one more thing is one layout, and the layout is horizontal arrangement, that one. Okay, and I'm to make this one with this fill parent and hide as fill parent, like this. Okay, and I'm to change this background color to black also. This one is also black. Okay, and I'm to here drag and drop one labels. You can display a lot of things here, like you can display images, label. So I'm just display here some labels and some news. This is my secret message, like that. Okay, you can put a lot of things, like, okay, you know that how to make a gallery in MIT App Inventor, you know, lot of things, right? So you just need to put all this information here. Okay, now whenever someone authenticate this fingerprint, then we will display this horizontal arrangement. So I'm going to make it visible off it, like this. Okay, now you can use another thing also, like you can use one more layout. Okay, simply like this, and make this one top spine center. Drag and drop this button here and change this background color to black, and make this one with this fill parent and hide as with and hide as fill parent, like this. Okay, and you this fine. So whenever someone click on this scan button, so we have to scan. Now simply go to the clock section, but make sure we have to use here one extension. Okay, so go to the Pure Beta extension option. Just type here fingerprint. That's the fingerprint sensor extension. Now you will get the AIF file, but if you want EIX file, so you have to ping to the scan user. So how you can ping him or PM him? Just click on this user button and then click on message. okay, and send them like finger, and just you have to type here, please provide AIX file of fingerprint and send message simply. Okay, I already have sent that message. Okay, so now, and don't worry, I will give you the link of this extension also in the description. Okay, now I already have that one extension. Click on extension option, import extension, choose from, that's the extension. Right, now you just need to drag and drop this extension here. Now go to the block, and whenever someone click on this button one, it means scan button. So we have to call fingerprint sensor authenticate. Okay, and the fingerprint authentication, click on this. You can see the failed, error, and succeed. If the fingerprint is succeed, then we will display this one. Set horizontal arrangement should be visible true. Okay, but if the authentication is failed, okay, this one, then we will change the background color of this screen, or of this for the vertical arrangement background color. I'm going to make this one green. No, not green. I'm going to make it red. Just type red. And make sure you have to hide this vertical arrangement. This one, set visual, should be false. Okay, and no, not in fail, in the succeed. Okay, you can design this thing according to your requirement. Actually, that's the basic idea how we can get the data from authentication. Okay, that's the simple idea of this app. So thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can design according to your requirement. Okay, that's the design you can change, but the code is basic. Okay, here you can put your character and a lot of things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.